Did your parents ever tell you to eat your carrots because it would help you see better in the dark? I know mine did. This is actually a myth born out of World War II by the British government, who was trying to mislead their enemies about their military capabilities. They wanted people to believe the British soldiers could see in the dark. While it is true that carrots do provide a great source of vitamin A, which we need for healthy vision, vitamin A also keeps our immune system running smoothly so we can fight off infections. Carrots are also a good source of vitamin K, which we need to produce certain factors so our blood clots properly in case we get a cut and start to bleed. While carrots are native to Europe and Southwest Asia, they are a popular vegetable in almost every society across the world. The most popular form of carrots is the orange variety, but they also come in yellow, white, purple, or even black. No matter the color, however, they are a delicious, healthy, and versatile vegetable that can be eaten raw or cooked in many different dishes.